Hello, everybody. Welcome back. We are on level 3 of lesson 9, getting screen inputs. So this one's all about drop downs. You can also use a drop down to let the user interact with the screen. A drop down lets you select from a list of options. You can use the get property block to get the value from the drop down and use it in your app. This app should let the user change the background color of the app, but it isn't finished. Do this. Get the value from the dropdown. Add a variable x and get property block to get the value from the color dropdown element. So let's do that. All right, variable x, and then get property. All right, and we are going to use the color dropdown, and we're looking for value. All right, so this part's been done. Now it says update the background screen. Add a set property block to update the background of the screen. So let's do that. Oh, look, it shows us how. Don't you love little movies? All right, and we're going to call the X color. I like that. So we're going to set the property for the home screen to background color and whatever the color is. All right. Let's see if I did that right. I did. All right, so we're going to press run. We're going to click on black and update. Oh, white and update. And then if I go in here into design element and I click on this drop down, I could even say red, green, pink, blue, orange, magenta, etc. Right? And then if I come back in here and I run it again, what? Check that out. All right, so excellent. All right, so we're going to click on finish. I will see you on level 4.